Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel. So today we're going to learn how you can install a theme on your WordPress website. Okay? Yeah. So for that you need to have a WordPress website for sure, and you have to visit your dashboard. So I'm currently on my dashboard, which is this. Okay. So you have to go on appearance, and inside appearance there is a option for themes. You have to select themes. Click on themes. So here you can see that there are four themes, that is Shapely, 19, 20, 17, then 2020. Okay, so what we will do is we will install one from the WordPress store, one theme from the WordPress store, and another theme using the upload theme feature of the WordPress. Okay, so this is only to show you how you can install theme and how you can keep track of all the themes over here. Okay, so let's get started. So all you have to do is click on add new theme. Okay, so right now you do have multiple themes like to choose from, like anything you want is here. Okay, anything. Okay, so if you do know that theme do have particular name or something like that, you can go here and search for. You can see that I already searched this in past, that's why it is showing in my kind of a suggestion. So I will go and search for GeneratePress. So GeneratePress is a theme which you may be knowing. So for everything there is always a demo. Okay, so you have to go to the description of the theme on the left hand side and go to extreme down, and you may see a URL. Okay, so you have to just select that URL and click go to https://generatepress.com. Okay, so you can see here that this is the actual website. This site is actually the website, the theme installed on this website. So they have like used the theme for as well as their business page also. Okay, yeah. Okay, for everything there will be a demo section at the bottom of the description, so make sure to use that thing. So you can click install over here. Okay, if you came here in order to see the demo and the description, otherwise you can click directly over install. Okay, so before going and installing this GeneratePress theme, we will just first preview that how it will look on our website. So this is how it look on our website. Okay, so you can see a preview also from here by clicking on preview button. Like clicking on the details and preview is the same thing on clicking on preview, but I showed you anyhow. So all you have to go do is click on install button, and it will install the plugin. Okay, so installing plugin doesn't mean that your website is using the plugin which you installed. Okay, so currently you can see so you can see that currently my website is using some theme. I don't know which one is this theme by okay, so maybe it is Shapely or something like that. Okay, not a problem. Okay, so yeah, it's 2020 theme. So theme which means sorry, yeah, it's just a second. We have to go back to the theme section. Okay, and yeah, it's Shapely theme which is activated. So we have installed GeneratePress. So we will be going forward and clicking on activate, and now GeneratePress is activated on our website. Okay, this is Shapely. When you refresh the page again, you will see the generate press theme. Okay, so this is the generate press theme. Okay, yeah, so this is how you can what you can install theme with the help of WordPress store, like directly going, clicking on admin and searching for the exact theme which you wanted. The another way to add or kind of activate theme is by uploading theme. Okay, same as plugin. So all you have to click here is upload theme. Okay, so you need a file in order to like install. So we have to first to go and download some theme. So I do have one theme in my mind. It's what the name of the theme? Color Mag theme. Okay, okay, yeah, this is yeah, this is the Color Mag theme. So I will download it. The same, it will download into zip archive, zip file, which is Color Mag 2.0.3. So all you have to go here, click on upload theme and click here, choose file, go to download where my file is located. So it's what's the name, Color Mag, no? Yeah, Color Mag. File name is Color Mag. We have selected and click on open and now click on install now. It will install the Color Mag theme now. Okay. So we will also visit our website like to show you how it is looking right now. Yeah, this is looking. This is how it looks with the generate press theme, and this is the theme is installed right now, and you can take a live preview. Live preview is kind of a preview only, which we seen earlier. It will show you how it looks with this theme, which is what the name of the theme, Color Mag. Yeah, Color Mag. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay. Yeah. So this is actually the two way of installing a theme and activating it. And if you want to see your which are the different themes you have installed on your website, go to themes inside the appearance, and you can say that we are like having how much 1 2 3 6 themes. Okay, so currently the theme which is activated on our website is generate press. So we will go and activate Color Mag. This was a live preview. This was not activated. You can see the theme, but this was not actually the this was your website. Okay, so right now I have activated the Color Mag. I will just refresh the home page, and this is how it looks with the Color Mag theme. Okay, this is how it looks. And if you want to delete some of the themes, all you have to do is click on theme details, and here on the right hand side lower corner you will see a delete button. You have to click on delete and select OK, and it will be deleted. Okay, same with other theme, all the theme which you want to delete, and it the same. Okay, remember that the theme which is activated you cannot delete that. Okay, so if you want to delete that theme, you have to first deactivate it and then delete it, and you need at least one theme in your directory, so that that theme will be default and it will be shown on the website. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can install and activate themes in WordPress. So I hope that you liked my video and understand now how you can install the theme and activate it. So make sure to like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and do subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.